Oh, I almost look at those tracks. What is that, like a bunny or something? It's F82 time. Let's go, boys. Snow is pretty light, so should come off fairly easy. Let me get the rest off. Oh, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Man, I've had the worst muscle pull. And this is like the second time I've had this muscle pull, but usually when I pull a muscle like that, I tend not to do anything. I just sit down, no gym, I'll just let it heal. And this is the second time, same spot, so I don't know. But had to stop in, grab the vest, because I was thinking to myself, like, oh, if we're gonna go out here and get kind of and start sliding around, what if, tire pops or something like that? So let me just grab the vest. I'd rather be warm. And so I got the vest. We're heading to the city. I need me my senzu beans. I gotta get that senzu bean in me. And then we're gonna head over to the city, do a little bit of city driving. And I hope you guys enjoy the POV, man. And we're gonna get back to sliding around next week, if possible. We'll find some spots where we can slide around in the city. I'll tell you what, guys. These tires, I have the car on some extreme budget tires, but these Lexani, like P0, I forgot, they are actually pretty decent. Whatever I had on here before, I'll have to go through my videos and look it up again, but whatever I had on here before, they were just, the traction light would just come on. But check this out, the weather I'm in right now, and there's no traction light. Like, these tires are actually pretty decent. I actually got this from what is it? Another YouTuber. They sell wheels. They actually recommended these tires. They're actually pretty good, man. They're pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna try and find a place to stop. Get me some coffee. I'm still looking for a place that is close, so I can do some sliding things.
Bear right. Turn right toward 15th Street.
Stop somewhere and get me some coffee, man.
turn right. In 400 feet, turn left onto North 19th Street, then turn left again. Turn left. Turn left onto Cuthbert Street.
So, all right, we are gassed up. And I have got that. No, we can't do that. Turn it off.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
We wipe this off, and we've got the juice. Input level of sound here. We just leveled up. All right, let's get out of here. I got myself a muffin, a Danish, guys. A Danish. If you've never had a Danish before in your life, try one. It's snowing again.
Prepare to bear right.
All right, it's starting to snow again. Just out here in this terrible weather, trying to find another spot. That was really the main goal today. Just try and find another spot. And if I can, like, you know, just mess around a little bit.
In a half a mile, bear right onto I-676 North toward Camden.
But we couldn't find a place, but that's okay. We'll just head back to the other spot and then continue. All right, boys. Yeah, I was talking about a Danish. Never had a Danish before in your life. I suggest you try one. Camera? Come on, camera. I suggest you try one, but other than that, guys, that is it. Ooh, I gotta wear that beard down. All right, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you like what you see, like button, the subscribe button, all of it's free. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out.